Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from CUBOT X18 to OPPO device. First of all, go into Play Store on both devices and download an app called Send Anywhere. Remember that it has to be from this developer. Now open it. Click I accept, choose confirm, continue and allow. Then select Receive on OPPO. Now we have to do the same. I accept, confirm, continue and allow. But after that we need to choose Send over here on CUBOT. Then tap on all of those kind of dots and choose Send to send all of your files. But I don't want to do that because it will take some time, so I will click on this one photo, choose Send and tap Got it. From here we have two ways to connect. We can input this password over here and choose Receive or scan QR code. If you want to scan the code, tap on the scanning icon over here on OPPO and choose while using the app or only this time. Then point your device's camera at the code. Now we need to wait. And as you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. But if you want to check it out for sure, you can always go into some kind of file manager or files app, like that, those two. Click on one of them, tap continue, tap on browse in the middle and select, in my case, images. As you can see, Send Anywhere folder is over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!